Welcome to the lesson on jobs and occupations, focusing on creative professions. In this lesson, you will learn simple definitions and example sentences about 5 creative jobs. These jobs are artist, writer, singer, actor, and photographer. An artist is someone who creates paintings, drawings, sculptures, or other kinds of art. Artists use their imagination and skill to express feelings, tell stories, or represent the world in new ways. They might work with colors, shapes, and materials to produce their art. For example, you might say, "She is a talented artist," or "I want to be an artist." A writer is a person who creates books, stories, articles, or other written content. Writers use words to inform, entertain, or inspire people. They can write novels, newspaper articles, or even scripts for movies and shows. You might hear, "He is a famous writer," or "the writer published a new book." A singer is someone who performs songs using their voice. Singers may appear in concerts, make recordings, or perform in musicals and shows. Singing can be done solo or as part of a group, and singers often bring emotion and style to their music. Examples you could use are, "She is a pop singer," or "The singer has a beautiful voice." An actor is a person who performs in plays, movies, television shows, or other productions by pretending to be different characters. Actors use their voices, body movements, and facial expressions to tell stories and entertain people. For instance, you might say, "He is a talented actor," or "The actor won an award." A photographer is someone who takes pictures of people, places, events, or objects using a camera. Photographers use lighting, composition, and timing to create interesting or beautiful images. They might work at weddings, for magazines, or create art with their photos. For example, you can say, "She works as a wedding photographer," or "The photographer captured beautiful images." Now let us check your understanding with some practice questions. What does an artist do? Who writes books and stories? What do we call someone who sings songs? Think about your answers as you listen. Here are more practice questions. What does an actor do? Who takes pictures with a camera? Can you name all 5 creative jobs we discussed today? Try to answer each question in your own words. Let us review the new words from this lesson. The 5 creative jobs are artist, writer, singer, actor, and photographer. These jobs are all important in art and entertainment, and each one uses creativity in a different way. Well done, you have learned about 5 creative jobs. They are artist, writer, singer, actor, and photographer. Keep practicing these words and sentences to improve your English. Thank you for joining this lesson.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.